Experiencing lag spikes in Fortnite can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to improve your connection and gameplay experience. Follow this guide to help reduce lag and enhance your performance. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for gaming. Run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your speeds are below the recommended levels for Fortnite, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Use a wired connection. If you are currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. This can significantly reduce lag and provide a more stable connection. Connect your gaming device directly to the router using an Ethernet cable for the best results. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching Fortnite, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that use the internet, such as streaming services or downloads, can consume bandwidth and contribute to lag. Make sure to free up resources for your game. Step 4. Adjusting game settings. Lower the graphics settings in Fortnite to improve performance. Reducing settings such as resolution, shadows, and textures can help your system run the game more smoothly, especially if you are experiencing lag spikes during intense gameplay. Step 5. Change server region. If you are still experiencing lag, try changing your server region in Fortnite. Sometimes connecting to a server that is geographically closer to you can reduce latency. Go to the settings menu, select the matchmaking region, and choose a server that offers a better connection. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Fortnite gameplay experience. Remember to regularly check your connection and settings to maintain optimal performance. Happy gaming!